Can LLC names have symbols? Yes, most states allow certain symbols in LLC names, but the rules are strict and vary by state. Commonly accepted symbols include the ampersand and the hyphen and the comma. Other symbols like at, number sign, or percent are usually not allowed because they can cause confusion in legal or digital records. For example, A and B Catering LLC would likely be approved, but At Home Services LLC could be rejected depending on the state's guidelines. Even if allowed, unusual symbols may create issues for customers trying to search or remember your business name. The safest option is to use only letters, numbers, and simple punctuation marks like dashes or ampersands. Always check your state's LLC naming rules before filing to avoid delays or rejections. Zen Business can check your state's naming rules and ensure your LLC name is accepted the first time. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.